Hey guys, this is Dave the Credit Fixer. How's it going out there? Do you need credit consulting services? I tell you what, I did, and so I basically went to a company. I'm not going to bash any company, and it was a credit repair company that said that they could fix my credit, do all these different things. So I signed up with them. Over a 3-month period, I hardly ever heard from them. All they said is we've mailed off the letters, they're working on it, and I didn't see any results, so I canceled them. I said, I gotta do this myself. I gotta learn how to do this myself. So basically, a little bit about me, I had a fire extinguisher explode in the cab of my truck. So I'm not working, I had a little bit of time, so I wanted to go out and learn this right. I tied in with some business partners of mine. They showed me exactly what to do, what templates to use to send off to the credit bureaus, all 3 of them. Man, this stuff works. We took my credit from a 515, got everything off of there, got it cleaned up, got some strong stuff on there, clear up to a 788 within 3 to 4 months, and I'm very happy with the results. It could have been faster, but like I said, I'm not doing too well, and things are getting better now anyway. So a little bit about what our service does. We are a credit restoration company. There's a difference. We're not a credit repair company, because all they do is mail off letters. They don't really do anything. We will restore your credit. We go out there, we take the collections accounts, repossessions, bankruptcies, judgments, liens, student loans. We can take any prior employer addresses out of there, employers, your old addresses, stuff like that. We get results. Okay, we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If we do not raise your credit score, we will refund your money. This is the real deal. It really works. Okay, my website is davethecreditfixer.com. You can go on Facebook and find a bunch of stuff about credit restoration and stuff at Dave's Credit Solutions on Facebook. I got my phone number in the picture if you need to talk to me, a free consultation, and I'll tell you what, we can set you up. All you have to do, I'm going to give it to you right now. What we use Credit Check Total. It gives you everything you need, your score, everything that's on there, your addresses. It's the whole deal, and it's very simple. It's $1 for 7 days. So basically all you got to do, go to creditchecktotal.com, and you can pay $1 for 7 days. You can see what your score is. You can see whatever's on your credit report and find out what your credit score is and contact me. I guarantee we can help you. If we don't, like I said, we got a money back guarantee, and this stuff works. Trust me, it did it for me, 515 to 788, and now I'm working on some AUs, some credit cards with 0 to 0%. And I'll be able to get some funding to start my own business, which actually I'm starting here, but I want to get into other stuff, get me some royalties going. And I'm tied in with a bunch of business people that know how to do this stuff. So if you need your credit fixed, it doesn't matter if you're in the check system, you can't get a checking account, we can help you get off of that, get your checking account, get your credit restored, help you get into some funding if that's what you want to do. The better score you have, the less interest rates you're going to have to pay, the better life you're going to have. Alright? Again, this is Dave the Credit Fixer. If you need to contact me, davethecreditfixer@gmail.com. Or you can call me on the number on there. Thanks.